So today we're at IKEA. We're gonna have lunch at IKEA. Yay! So my mom gets to pay for less than £1. And what we're gonna get is penne pasta and tomato sauce. Yummy! Most exciting part of me and my little brother, the children's area! Woo! They're little killer whales, sharks. My giant donkeys! I found a giant topsy. Giant topsy, small topsy. Look. Pretend we have a keyboard and I'm in space. Mini jungle they've created in IKEA. Bye! Whoa! This is awesome! Hey guys! Awesome.